What you're making.
3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Welcome to Appetit New Year's episode. We're going to give you a Negroni, which will help you get through the day. We're going to give you a Sweet Manhattan. We're going to give you a fucking couple other cocktails, so I can't remember because I'm too wasted. And we're going to give you a banana shot as a bonus. Welcome to Appetit New Year's.
Also, Ivan's going to try and deep throat a banana.
Oh.
No, which one of us?
Ivan, you can make the drink. We're going to do a stirred Negroni.
All right.
Okay.
Cool. So Negroni's my favorite cocktail.
Let's pour it in here. Is it stirred?
Yeah, so we're going to do it stirred. So you're going to fill it with ice. Go ahead. Get in there.
All right.
Oh, you really got in there.
Perfect.
What was I not?
No,
And
fill
then-
it. Put more ice.
All of it?
Yeah, that's fine. So Negroni's kind of like that. If people like old fashions, I think Negroni's my favorite. It's bitter, like I am, and it's you can kind of choose what you like. So if you like something sweet, you can have more Campari. If you like something more ginny and more boozy, or have a rough day, rough week, rough life, you can have more gin. If you just want to make it a little more bitter, you can add this Sweet Vermouth. Cool.
So one thing about Negroni is those are the ingredients, but you can also make a Boulevardier, which uses whiskey. So whenever I get this drink, I order Boulevardier. So it's the exact same drink but with booze.
True.
Or with bourbon.
100%.
Both are booze.
Okay, buddy. So let's get some alcohol in the glass. Okay, so let's do it. So let's just do equal parts, make it easy. So we're gonna do 1 ounce Campari.
Are we just making one at a time, or do you want to make three
Sorry,
at a time?
I'm an idiot. Do 3 ounces of Campari. Nice.
Steady.
Steady now. Steady as she goes. Perfect. Nice.
Thanks. Way to not fuck up.
Yeah. Bravo.
Well, there's
Okay.
a few more ingredients still.
Well, let's not count our chickens yet.
Let's do 3 ounces of Sweet Vermouth. There you go. Nice. Good Tom Cruise and cocktail. Bravo. Mixing it up. All right, finish her up with a gin. And you know what?
We're gonna do 3 gin?
Let's do a little heavy on the gin. Let's go 3.5, 4 on the gin.
Let's free pour.
Yeah, you know what?
Honestly,
Top it
Okay,
up.
free
so-
pouring gin? Oh,
Just
that's
top
what
up.
that's what
We'll
I'm
just
good
see how
at.
it goes.
Okay, first of all,
Nice,
there's
that's
been
good. No, that's way more.
Twice that.
Yeah, twice that. Almost too much.
Oh, a little
Dude,
more, a
this
little more, a
is
little more.
It's fine. You'll be fine.
that is not
The
gonna allow it to
meniscus
go
is super
more.
high.
That's
You'll
fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Whoa,
Sweet.
meniscus. You can't just make up words, dude.
Here, science man. Okay, cool.
Stir?
So yeah, we'll do a stir. Now here, one thing about the stirs.
Okay,
put your
teach him
hand-
how to stir. Oh my God, stop it.
Yeah, stop it. Oh, you're raping the drink. So if you go, so people think you just hold, don't hold it. So keep a loose thing. So just let the spoon spin.
So you let the back of the spoon follow the glass around, so it's actually turning in your hand.
Very gentle.
Very gentle. Here, I'm gonna cover this up so we don't.
Nice. Get your finger in there. Actually, get your hand right in there. Let's just.
All right.
Needs a little sweetener in there.
I feel like you said asshole sweetener.
I don't think so.
No.
We'll save that for the other video. Okay.
I can't know for sure what I said, but I don't think it was that.
Money in the bank. So, I'm gonna ice these puppies up.
Nice.
Just a couple cubes. You don't want it to dilute too much. Beautiful. Look at
Just
that.
so you know, no puppies were actually harmed in the icing of your glasses up. You said let's ice these puppies up.
Oh! I'm sorry. I'm so stupid.
You are.
I am one stupid.
Good thing
bitch.
you're cute.
Anyway, cheers. So we have 3 Negronis with a free pour gin. But for math,
With a free pour gin.
it's a 1-1-1.
Just do a back and forth one. Yeah, there
let's
you
get
go.
it Nice and high.
Nice. I love being high.
Shit. Beautiful. So let's do a little zest. It's a little zesterino because, as we always say, the chicks love it. The opposite of wet is
Boyd?
fair. You're trying to talk to my girlfriend? So this isn't gonna work.
Yeah, you're killing that. And by
So-
killing, I mean like
Not
not
doing a good
having fun
job.
with it.
Failing miserably. You sound like my middle school teachers. We got this.
Okay, so cool thing about citrus, like when you squeeze citrus, the juices that come out are actually flammable. So you can hold your lighter close to your drink.
I hope this works. Hey, nice. And now it's torched.
And then you take that seed, you rub the top and the rim, the rim, so you get the flavor of the lemon inside.
And it actually tastes different. Like, it actually
Yeah,
does.
actually, it makes
when
it
you
weird.
toast it.
Yeah. You want to try one, Ivan? Nah. Good call. Good call. Good call.
The whole house is a flame. It's just
3
me
young men
people
were killed in Burnaby today.
trying to light fruit on fire. But the real Negroni is going to be an orange. But you know what?
Hey,
Our budget ran out.
We don't
couldn't
have
buy one
oranges.
piece of fruit. So
hey, when life gives you lemons,
make a fucking
make
Negroni.
Negronis.
Okay, cheers.
I love the color of this, actually.
Oh,
The
it's
color is
beautiful,
as always one of those things I'm like, Campari is so cool.
Oh yeah. Sweet, bitter.
It's actually really good.
It's really good.
Okay, so here's my beef with cocktails. I drink cocktails at the same speed I drink beer.
Oh yeah. That's
So
fair.
I'm gonna finish this in about, I don't know, if you had a beer that was only 3 ounces, like you would drink it in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna finish this, which is the equivalent of at least a beer and a half, because there's probably at least.
Oh, there's three different types of liquor in there.
Yeah,
That's
okay, so
literally
2
liquor.
beers. This is 2 beers, so I'm gonna drink 2 beers in 2 minutes. So that's my beef. And hard liquor definitely hits you later, so you don't quite realize that you've been drinking or like how drunk you are until the end.
I also cry a lot more when I drink hard liquor.
Oh, yes.
I get a lot more emotional.
Yeah, and I can't get a boner either.
Things I ever did was when I drank hard liquor. When there's-
Not even a laugh, right? Not even a smile? Thanks, fuckers.
I was drinking straight hard liquor all night, and then went home, obviously wasted. My girlfriend's asleep. My ex-girlfriend at the time. I'll
She was
explain
your
why.
ex?
This
She
will all
was
make
your
sense.
ex at the time?
No. Now
No,
she's my ex.
yeah, but she was your
Sorry,
girlfriend
I
at the
don't know
time.
what
She doesn't know you guys.
You
My
said
girlfriend
ex
is
at the time. I was like, yeah, no wonder. Okay,
So
cool. Sounds
I
right.
go home and I'm absolutely
My ex at the time.
absolutely wasted. And then I get into bed, fall asleep, wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, soaking wet. Soaking wet. And I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And I instantly assume, like, oh, it's you. It's like, hey, wake them up. And they're obviously confused and upset. And they're
Who's
like,
they?
it's the girl. Let's not bring up any names. So
He doesn't
I
even
turn
know
around
him.
and I
Curls up with
say,
his wives after.
it's like, what?
Wives.
Did you piss yourself in the middle of the night? I just got home and I'm wasted. I'm trying to sleep and I'm covered in piss.
This is clearly your
And
fault.
she's like, I didn't do it. I'm like, I know I didn't piss myself. You're the one that pissed yourself. Then she got upset, and then I got upset. Turns out, surprise, I pissed myself. I pissed myself, and I covered us both
What
in
a
piss.
shocking,
Yeah. And
weird
surprise,
twist of that
surprise.
story.
Yeah. And
I
here's
was
the
not
weirdest
expecting
part. It didn't go well between us at all after that.
that. Anyway, so she's still my ex.
Yeah. And I'm still using that mattress because mattresses are expensive. All of it's gonna be fun. All of us are gonna be wasted. And if you want to join us, hey,
Just
take
follow.
5 fucking minutes out of your shitty lives. Cheers.